Hey guys, I'm Lorentz from Iwood Cosplay, and today I'm going to do my first video of 2018. I wanted to do something different, so I'm going to step outside, just kind of explore, and then I talked about some new stuff that I'm going to be doing for 2018. So I hope you guys are excited, because I am. Okay, but before we go out there, I want to do something new for the 2018's videos. I have a Rode mic Go, because last year's video tutorials I didn't have a mic. It was just straight from the camera, from my cell phone actually. So I'm going to plug this in to the next clip and maybe you guys can tell a difference. So I just put the mic on top of this camera. You can't see it, but I don't know if that audio makes a difference. I'm going to check it out later and you guys can tell me down in the comments below if that makes a difference. For 2018, I'll just be doing more content creation, be more consistent with my YouTube. I want to upload at least one video per week. So this week is coming up, SAC Anime this weekend, pretty excited for that. I'll be doing some vlogs so that for those of you that aren't going to the cons, you guys can get that experience and maybe see for yourself if you want to go hit it up. 2018 is working my fitness goals. I know 2017 I set my goals early, but didn't actually start doing it until after the summer. So if that's you, it's okay. You can still catch up. You can still do it. Just gotta commit to it. But since I already got that going, I'm kind of have the momentum, and I want to keep that going for 2018. Really looking to bring my fitness goals to the next level and bring up some new cosplays that are going to require that physique. I'm excited for that. And that, I'll see you guys. So for 2018, another thing I wanted to do is add more content from in this shop. Show you guys some of the tools that I use to do some of the things that I have made for my shop. Yeah, so some of these are the big machines I have out here. These are, I don't have that in my garage. Okay, so the last update for 2018 is my Etsy shop. So the Etsy shop is a lot of the stuff I do there is commission work. I'm going to be moving away from the commission work just because that takes a lot of time, and I want to be traveling more so I can see some of you guys that have been following me for a while. And so I'll be moving towards the how-to patterns and kits side of the cosplay business. That being said, I'm also taking all of my Etsy, Instagram, YouTube content and putting it all onto my website, which I want to launch by January of this month. Other than that, I think that's it for the updates. This is my first video for 2018, so I'm super excited for all the content that I will be making. Definitely follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with most current projects that I'm working on, and my next cons. Definitely say hi to me if you're there. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video if you like it. And I hope you all have an exciting 2018. Bye!